we've reached the end of this class. Let's do a little recap. We started by creating a new file in Adobe Illustrator, and then we proceeded to set up the workspace, adjusting some settings and preferences. Next, one by one, we went through all essential tools and features. You got familiar with all the different ways you can select your objects on the canvas, such drawing tools as pen and pencil tool. We also talked about the touch selector and how it provides additional features depending on which tool you want to use. We also went through a lot of functional tabs, including layers and properties tab. At the end of this class, we've created a simple illustration. You've learned how to use the pen tool and the direct selection tool to modify your curves and create whatever shape you like. I hope you get creative and come up with lots of beautiful designs, and I would really love to see your work. You can share it with me using the post-class project button. If you enjoyed this class, please don't forget to hit the like button and consider following my teacher's profile on Creative Fabrica. This way you will stay updated about similar classes like this one. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again in the next class.